Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to create an AI animated video complete with AI-generated music and animation. We'll be using two incredible AI tools, AIVA for the music and Kaiber for the animation. Let's get started. First, let's head over to AIVA. AIVA is an incredible website that generates AI music. You have the option to compose with various preset music styles like pop, rock, jazz, and more, or you can even compose with influences, which allows you to use your own music as a base. Let's log into AIVA using our Gmail account and click on Create Track. This will take us to the profile library where we can explore different music styles. The most popular style is EDM, which features a lively beat and an energetic vibe. Solo piano, on the other hand, can feel a bit too mellow for some. Synthwave, cinematic, offers an interesting sound, reminiscent of tracks you'd find on YouTube's Tranquility channel. Let's also give lo-fi, hip-hop, a listen. It's not bad, but it might not be the best fit for our video. Folk rock offers a slower, more relaxed rock sound. While meditation music is quite calming, maybe a little too calming for our purposes. After listening to these different styles, we've decided to go with EDM, as it's the most upbeat and engaging choice for our video project. With our music style selected, let's click Create and use the default settings. You can adjust the duration of the track if you'd like. It'll take a few minutes for the track to be generated, so let's be patient. All right, our track is ready. Let's give it a listen. The first part is a bit slow and monotone, but the second part has a nice, lively beat, perfect for our video. Let's download the music as MP3. Let's get over to Kaiber.ai. Kaiber is a fantastic platform that allows you to generate AI animation videos. To get started, sign up for a free account. With the free account, you'll receive 30 credits, but you won't have access to the transform an existing video and upload your own audio feature. Let's take a quick look at what transform an a video feature does.
And today, I am excited to tell you about an upcoming feature from Kaiber called Transform. This feature promises to take your video creating to the next level by allowing you to apply an infinite amount of stylization to your clips. From cyberpunk to psychedelic and more, you'll have endless possibilities to explore and create. With the Transform tool, you can change the look and feel of your video entirely, providing you with unparalleled creative control. You'll be able to prompt a style that fits your vision, and the app will do the rest, creating a truly unique and captivating video that stands out from the crowd. But that's not all. The Transform tool will also give you the ability to make granular changes, such as altering the lighting or color scheme, to customize your video even further. We can't wait to see the amazing videos that you'll create with the new Transform tool. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting new feature from Kaiber.
The Transform feature is quite impressive. It converts existing characters and scenery from a video into different styles, complete with new colors and lighting. It's amazing to see how AI can alter and enhance a video like this. However, this feature is only available for paid users. Now that we've explored Kaiber's features, let's dive into creating our own AI animation video. We'll start by uploading an anime-style image and providing a prompt. A boy and a girl running towards a temple in the forest, anime style. I used this prompt to generate an anime-style image in Mid-Journey. Next, we'll choose the anime style for our animation and continue to the settings. To make the video wilder, we'll change Evolve to 8. Our video is ready now. Let's take a look. It's amazing what AI can create, isn't it? Now it's time to bring everything together. We'll be using Wondershare Filmora to edit our video, but feel free to use any video editing software of your choice. Start by importing both the video and the music track into the software. We'll cut the music track to use the second part with the lively beat. Next, copy the video a couple of times to extend its length, then trim the music track to match the video's duration. Now, let's preview our work and export the final video. Take a look at the result. Incredible! This entire video was created using AI technology, from the music to the animation. So that's it for today, folks. We've successfully created an AI animated video with AI-generated music and animation using AIVA and Kaiber. AI is becoming more and more popular, and this video is a testament to its incredible capabilities. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.